found something that is actually breaking the internet right now, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free in the next few minutes. There's this whole new wave of AI carved videos blowing up on social media. Insane views, tiny accounts, zero budget. I'm talking about one account, Woody Car Lab, that hit over 23,000 followers in 8 days. 8 days with like a handful of posts. That's not luck. That's a formula. And today I'm handing you that exact formula. Here's the deal. I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow, step by step, using tools that cost you nothing. I'm even going to give you a prompt that basically does the whole thing for you. You just swap the car brand, the model, the color, boom. Unlimited videos. No editing skills. No fancy software, no beast of a computer. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pump out AI car content ready to drop straight onto YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, wherever. And stick around till the end because I've got a couple bonus tips that'll make your videos look even more realistic than everyone else doing this right now. Let's get into it. I'm going to use ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, type "Give me 10 car brand names and models" and click send. ChatGPT will generate a list of 10 different car brands and models such as Toyota, Corolla, Honda, Civic, Sportage, and Tesla Model 3. Once the list has been generated, open the Word document and copy the entire prompt, making sure you don't miss any important section. After copying the prompt, open Google Flow and click New Project. When the new interface appears, go to the Settings tab, select Video Mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical short-form videos, choose Output 1, select OmniFlash as the video model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Then paste the prompt into the prompt box. At the bottom of the prompt, you'll find a subject section where you need to enter the car brand, model, and color you want to create. Click send, wait a few seconds for the video to generate, then preview and download it. After that, come back to ChatGPT and choose any car from the list. For this example, I'll use Tesla Model 3. Copy it, return to Google Flow, replace the subject with the car name, and add the color white, so the complete subject becomes White Tesla Model 3. Finally, click Send, wait for the generation to finish, preview the final result, and download the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ReachMora for more AI tutorials like this. I post practical AI workflows, powerful prompts, and step-by-step guides to help you create viral content faster and easier. If you have any questions or want to see another AI niche covered next, leave a comment below. I read every single one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.